Hey guys, Brent Boyer from Adam again. So I wanted to talk to you today about the timing of divorce. So when should I file for divorce? A lot of people have this question. They're trying to figure out what makes sense in their personal life, and they'll say things like, well, I'm going to wait till the kids get out of school or graduate high school, or I'm going to wait till this or wait till that. So that's certainly a personal decision, but there are some things that can help. There's ways to know what's the right time and what makes sense. And there's also the other side of the coin with this decision about when should I file for divorce. And of course that is, what if your wife files for divorce? Because it's certainly something she's free to do as well. So there's certainly things we can help you with as far as thoughts about, is this something to worry about? Is this a warning sign? Are these things that we should be concerned about? Do I think my wife's preparing for divorce? And we can tell you the telltale signs for sure. That's worth discussing as well. But I wanted to look at one thing with you that I came across. So the state of Washington did a study, and they looked at 14 years of divorce filings in the state of Washington, and they found that there was a spike in the months of March and August every year. And of course they don't know exactly what's causing that, but they found that the number of divorce cases rose in the month of March, and it rose again in the month of August. So they then had some theories, their experts had some theories about this, and they believe March is related to people saying, well, I'm gonna wait to file for divorce till the end of the year. I just wanna get through the holidays. And then really it's January, February, people start gearing up, and that leads to a spike in increased divorce cases in the month of March. We don't know exactly, it could be, that's one theory. And then they also saw an increase every year in divorce filings come August. And the theory on that is being, the kids have been out all summer, it's back to school, people are back to their lives, vacations are over, summer vacation's ending, and people start making more decisions, becomes sort of a milestone in the year for them that I'm getting back to school and the kids are back to school. And then it causes an increase in filing for divorce come August. So again, the reason is a little more theory than fact, but the facts are that there is an increase in March and in August, and in Michigan we find those months tend to be pretty high as well. So there's some pattern here of what time of year is when people are filing for divorce and what people are planning and how they're doing things. So I hope that helps. There's some thoughts here on when should I file for divorce and how do I know when to file for divorce. And there's certainly long view and short view on those questions. But that was one study that looked at, okay, what months make sense for people and why do people file for divorce in those months? So I hope that helps. Any questions, of course, let me know. Thanks.